6 easiest AI side hustles to make $1,000 with AI. Number 1. Create logo using logo diffusion and sell on BrandCrowd. Number 2. Create 3D model using Meshi AI and sell on Sketchfab. Number 3. Create images using Ideogram and sell on Wirestock. Number 4. Create designs using Kittl and sell on Etsy. Number 5. Create websites using 10web and sell on Fliphop. Number 6. Create voiceovers using 11 Labs and sell on Fiverr. Comment AI and I'll DM you the complete guide to get started.
Automate money con ChatGPT agents. Hey, my digital people. Welcome to Gain Flash Money Podcast, where la flojera turns into productivity with style. Imagine you're chilling en el sofá, super relajado, y you just tell your ChatGPT agent, hey, find me a veggie lasagna recipe. And not only does it find it, it scrolls through Google, enters Mercadona's site, adds the ingredients to the cart, fixes what's missing, fills forms, y boom! It buys everything without you lifting a finger. Bro, this is not sci-fi. It's right now con ChatGPT Plus and their new agents. But wait! It's not just for grocery shopping. You can also use these agents para business prospecting, sending automatic emails, finding client emails, creating content for your socials or blogs con tus affiliate links, y making dinero while you sip your cafecito. Want to create a long tutorial like the one you saw? Use tools like OBS Studio para grabar, CapCut or Canva Video para editar, and boom, you have your AI masterclass sin gastar un centavo. Just go to https://chatgpt.com, activate Agents Mode with your Plus plan, and let your AI work for you. Literally, ChatGPT can be your top employee, searching business ideas, helping with Excel sheets, sending notifications to your phone, even making a Prime Video review blog with Amazon affiliate links. This is not a drill, it's real. So, are you going to keep working like it's 2010 or join the future con estilo? And if you want me to make a step-by-step video tutorial showing how to build your own agent que trabaje para ti, like you're the boss, send me a DM, comment below, or shout to the universe that you want the video. Here, knowledge is not kept secret. It's shared so everyone wins, baby.